In this tutorial, we're going to have a look at the correlation between meta tagging and the content management system, specifically around your products. In this particular case, you can see that we've selected the greeting cards economy. Now, you'll notice in the title bar, in the browser title bar, there is the word AA. Now, this is default in our system, and I want to show you how you can actually change that and make this relevant to Google search engines and searching generally within the site. So let's just go to the products for a moment, and we're going to search again on greeting cards economy. So we'll just do that. And here we go. Now you'll notice that we have the ability to set retail price here. Today we're going to be talking about meta tagging. So we click on the meta tags. Now again, you'll see that the AA that's in there is being displayed on the browser on this particular product. So what we need to do is go ahead and in our page title, we need to be creating a little snapshot of that product. You'll notice just up here, Google Keyword Toolbox. So for our product, let's just say that we are, greeting cards, great prices. This can be upper and lowercase. Bright colours. These are just obviously just words that relate to printing business cards. Now the greeting cards. Now the thing here is the keywords. Now if we all have heard about keyword search, this is where you are put yourself in the position of a customer out there that wants to do a search. They want some greeting cards, and what are the sorts of terms they're going to search for. Now I suggest that everybody, all of our affiliates, get an account with Google, or create an account with Google. Because here you're going to learn some important information about keyword searching. For example, if we just put in here greeting cards, and greeting cards printing, we're going to learn about the global search terms. Okay, if we scroll down here, we can see that the global searches are these numbers down here. So greeting cards to print, it's obviously a very highly sought after keyword, and there's 110,000 global monthly searches. What we're really interested in here though is the local monthly searches. So we're working within Australia and New Zealand. We're working with our direct market. So these are the ones that we really are interested in. Now if you come down this list here, you'll see what all the highly searched terms are. Greeting cards print, greeting cards free, greeting cards to print. So this is actually a place that we can come and get some insights into the keywords that are being used by people in the marketplace to search for greeting cards. So I suggest that you go ahead and you get a Google account set up. If you've got Google Mail, it's fairly straightforward. And from that you can learn a lot about what are the local and global search terms. So you can add these to your keywords. Now just because they are ranking high, these keywords here particularly are ranking high. Here we go, we've got 60,000 searches locally on greeting card print. We can narrow that down perhaps by let's just say geographical area. So if we went up greeting cards print, and let's call it your local town. I'll just make this up at the moment. Townsville. And we'll just estimate a search on that particular term. Well, we can see here that it's there's no local monthly searches being done under that term. Now that's just not necessarily a bad thing. We can grab that and use that if we are a local in that area, because it is essentially what they call a long tail keyword, and I'll go into why that's important in the next module on Google SEO. But essentially in here we want to be populating this particular field with our meta keywords. Now avoid repetition. We don't want to be repeating greeting card, greeting card, greeting card. Google will come and when it indexes your site, it will be you will get a cross against that. They like relevant information, so remember, duplication is bad, relevancy is good. And the description down here, in this particular field here, you write as if you are writing not for a robot but for a person. So, you know, let's just say greeting cards. This is more marketing writing. Greeting cards are a great thing to send or hand over at, you know, various times during the year. Stop, they are great corporate messaging. And great for personalizing. Okay, so these are our three fields. So within your affiliate admin, you need to go into products, your action and your meta tags. And now I'll go ahead and save this, and you'll notice that the title bar up here will change. So let's just save these changes. And we'll go to the page, greeting cards economy. And now let's just refresh that. And now you'll see that the browser or the title bar is populated with greeting cards, great prices. Now, why this is so important is when the Google robot comes into the site, it enters via the title bar within the browser. Now you can see that greeting cards, great prices, great colors is populated there. So it immediately knows that what's going to follow on the page is information about greeting cards. And there it is. Now that is actually put in through the CMS, and it's not put in through the meta tagging. This meta tagging that we looked at before, greeting cards economy, is actually for the code. It's in the background. So it's this. All of this does not publish onto your web page. The only thing it does publish is the page title. So the rest of it supports that and is in the code in the background.